Now, like I said before, I think Liverpool just have to do the needful by what? By firing Ancelotti. You understand? He has to give him enough time because I think the manager lack consistency. You understand? As a manager that want to bounce back to winning ways, that want to give back momentum, you should be able to win 3 Premier League games in a row. You understand? That will boost the confidence of the players. You understand? And that will boost the momentum. And like I said before in my previous video, we all know that the only reason why Ancelotti has not been sacked is due to the fact that he won the Premier League title at Liverpool in his first year. But that doesn't really change anything. Why? Because there are so many managers that has won the Premier League in their first season and the second year they were sacked. And one of them is Jose Mourinho. Because in Jose Mourinho's second spell at Chelsea, in the season 2014-2015, he won the league in that his first season. You understand? The following season, he was not doing well and he was sacked. He was fired. And it was Gaius Idik who completed the season for him. In the year 2012, Roberto Mancini won the league at Manchester City. And the following season, 2013, he was not doing well and he was fired because Manchester City needed the result.